Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to announce the winners of our giveaway contest. So I'm going to select 5 random comments from that video, and thank you so much guys for commenting such lovely motivational and inspirational comments to me. I like them all, and in this video I'm going to show you what all prizes I'm going to give to the winners of this contest. So let's get started.
Viral Science, the home of creativity.
So these are the prizes to be given. So first one, this is a Arduino 4-wheel drive smart car kit. This kit contains a Arduino board, a motor shield, and this is the smart car kit. It also contains a HC05 Bluetooth module, a switch, and a 9-volt battery cap. This is the second kit, that is Arduino 2-wheel drive smart car kit. It also contains a Arduino board, a motor shield, HC05 Bluetooth module, a 9-volt battery cap, and this is the 2-wheel drive kit. Third kit is this PIR security alarm PCB kit. This kit contains some components and a PCB board. You have to solder all the components, and you also get an instruction manual of this kit. Fourth kit, that is door security alarm PCB kit. This kit is also similar. It has components and a PCB board, and you also get an instruction set. This is the fifth kit, that is temperature control fan PCB kit. This kit contains some components, PCB board, and an instruction manual. Let's pick our winners. We have 268 total comments, and we will select 5 winners and 1 extra winner. So let's pick. So first winner is Techy Ideas. Arey wah bhai, it's always an awesome video. Your setup gear are really awesome. You are an idol for most of the new YouTubers out there who trying to buy DSLRs for just chatting with YouTube. Love your video. Thanks. Thank you so much. So you are our first winner. So now let's pick our second winner. That is MFM Arduino and Tech. Hi Viral Dodia, I like your videos very much, and I am a 14-year-old school student. I know about your Arduino, and I have done many useful projects and won in many competitions. Congratulations bro, and you are also a part of it because I have seen many tutorials from your channel, and I am thanking you very much. I am looking forward for many videos. Regards Fahad. Thank you so much Fahad, and you are our second winner. Let's select our third winner, that is Hitesh Parmar. Congratulations for 50k subscribers. Keep making electronics simpler like you have done in all the videos. Keep on developing yourself, your imagination and creativity. Best of luck for your further videos. God may you prosper. Let's pick our fourth winner, that is Nidhi. Hi Viral Science, your videos are very nice and your explanation are also great. Thank you so much. So you are the fourth winner. So let's pick our fifth winner, that is Lal Bahadur Shah. Marvelous, congrats bro, and keep going. Congrats and all the best for your future videos. Hope your channel grow even more. God bless you bro, and there is no YouTube channel like Viral Science. Keep it up. Thank you so much. So guys, now I'm going to select an extra winner. If anyone from you 5 winners does not comment down your email IDs down below, then I'm going to give that particular prize to this extra winner, that is Amazing MJ. He has written, website is really very amazing idea. Thank you so much. So you are an extra winner.
So congratulations to all the winners, and thank you so much guys for participating in this contest. So now how winners will contact me. So all the winners will comment their email address in the comment section below of this video. So with the same ID they have commented or they have participated in this contest. So I can verify those IDs and I will mail you a form from my ID, that is viraldodia20@gmail.com, where you will send your details to me and I will send you the parcel, and also I will share the tracking details of your parcel with you. So that is it for today guys. Keep supporting and also don't forget to follow me on other social media platforms. I will be back with another bigger giveaway soon. So that's it and have a great day.
Do subscribe and press bell icon to get instant notification for new video.